Hello once again, and thank you for joining me on this video channel. Just wanted to let you know about a special offer we've got on an excellent range of VHF UHF antennas. They're made by a firm called Amplifiers. You may know them better as Dual. The Antenna Amplifiers is the company name, and Dual is what we have used because they do make a range of dual band antennas for 2 meters, 77s, etc, etc. But they also do an excellent range of monoband antennas. And I think that it's really worth taking a look at these antennas if you're in the market for a VHF UHF antenna, because they are really well made and very well designed. They're designed and made by licensed amateurs, and they do take an awful lot of trouble in producing the antennas, in making precise measurements. And I have used a couple of their antennas, and they're actually an actual joy to put together. Every item is labelled, everything is there, and everything does what it should do, and the construction and details are excellent as well. They're really well packed. In fact, I remember when I put together the 2 meter Yagi, it took me about half an hour to unpack all the items, not because there was lots and lots of things there, but they were so well packed. But I thought what I'd do is I'd just show you a video clip that they've produced in the factory of their 6 meter antenna, which is a popular antenna at the moment because of the sunspot cycle. But it gives you some taste as to the quality of the antennas. And we are doing a 10% discount on the complete range. There is a code you need to put in at checkout, and the code, would you surprise, is DUAL, D-U-A-L, in capital letters. And if you want a reminder of that, then go onto our website and you'll see full details there. But it's an excellent time to buy one of their antennas because of the discount, and it looks as if we may get some reasonable weather over the holiday period, so you might actually be able to build one and get it up in the air, who knows. But I think it's worthwhile taking a look at the quality of the 6 meter antenna, for example, to show you how it all goes together. And it might just give you a taste of the quality of their antennas. They do some enormous great arrays. If you're into EME, etc., they do some enormous great arrays, and all the details of their antennas are on their website. Anyway, let me just show you a video clip here.
We even started testing. Our network analyzer has been fully calibrated at the cable ends at antenna connector, which makes our antenna measurements extremely accurate, as our cable doesn't interfere with the measurements. You usually can't do this with handheld antenna analyzer. Let's look at the antenna measurements. Return loss across the entire band, 50 to 51 MHz, is all better than 30 decibels across the entire band. If you transfer that to SWR, we can see that SWR is better than 1.1 across the entire band.
They're probably the best VHF UHF antennas made in Europe, and certainly the specification, the quality and standard of engineering is second to none. So don't forget, if you're looking for a discount on the antennas, 10% discount, It runs right through the holiday period and it starts now. So if you want to replace your antennas or get a new antenna for, they do 6 meters, 4 meters, 2 meters, 70 sems, 23 sems, a whole range. And they do some interesting accessories as well. And there's also some HF antennas they do as well. So take a look on our website, and I think you'll probably find some interesting items there in the VHF UHF range of antennas made by Antenna Amplifiers. We know them as Dual. Thanks for watching this video. You take care. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.